This is a video of the base for the pedestal for the Perkins Talking Campus model. There are a number of defects in the workmanship, and I am using this video to document those. The first and most serious problem is the pull-out tray for the braille display. It's very poorly made. There is actually exposed plywood edging in this piece. So we certainly cannot use that. It's also very, very loose. It doesn't pull out neatly. It doesn't lock into place when it's pulled out. It looks like the cheapest possible hardware was used. It's also strangely designed. It's not the way that we drew it, and it's going to have to be completely remade. Another problem is that the lock is incredibly loose. This is in the locked position. If I open it and then turn the key, this is what happens. This is not acceptable. It's just a question of moving the strike plate back a little farther so that it locks nicely. But unfortunately, I cannot turn this over to our customer in this condition. And I'm not sure what to do about that. I also noticed that the wood at the bottom is chipping. The veneer is chipping off. That's not good. I would have assumed that there would be edge banding on the bottom, but it looks to me like that was just omitted, or there should at least be something to lift the box up a little bit so that that edge is not, every time you move this thing, that veneer is going to come off. Now in our original design we had called for a recessed base, which we should have insisted on, but it was something that the client nixed for aesthetic reasons. But still, we have to make it work. There's also cracking in these button bases. I don't care about cracking inside because that's going to be covered up by the model. So anything over to here is going to be covered. But this is all going to be exposed. We have cracking here, here. Look at this. I don't know if you can see it, but it's all cracked. I don't know what to do about that. I don't know how to fix that. This one looks nice. I mean, it's going to be covered in epoxy paint, so maybe that will fix everything. But frankly, you know, I just am surprised that it was shipped up to us without these things being taken care of. I'm sorry to be so critical. However, I am pretty distressed by it. I mean, it's a nice looking piece when you stand far away from it, and it's going to be a beautiful exhibit once we finish it. But unfortunately, not enough care was used in the fabrication of this piece, and therefore we need to come up with some kind of a resolution.